Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to use Dsers with Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, open Dsers website in your web browser, and in another tab, open a new tab and then open Shopify and log into your Shopify account. Now on your Shopify homepage, go on the app section, click on the apps button, which is on the left side of the screen. Now after clicking on apps, on the search button, search for Dsers apps. After you found the Dsers AliExpress dropshipping application, click on that. After clicking on the application, you will see a button with add app option. Then please click on the add app button. Next, you'll see this screen. Now click on the install app button. Now they will ask you to create an account for you or register yourself, or if you already have an account at Dsers, you can log in. If you're creating an account, you can click for the basic plan, that is for free. And now step 3 is to link your AliExpress. After that, your Dsers will be showing this page and it will be linked with Shopify. So go on your left side of the home page, which has an option called import list. Please click on the import list button. After clicking on the import list button, please open a new tab, and in that new tab, open AliExpress. When you have navigated to the AliExpress website, please find the related product, the relatable product that you want to drop ship through Dsers. When you finally found that product, copy the URL of that product, the web URL of that product page. Now get back to your Dsers website, and now when you have clicked on the import list, now it has an option to put up the URLs. So the URL you copied from the AliExpress product page, you have to paste it here. Then after pasting, click on OK. Now you'd be seeing your product appeared like this. Please click on the push to Shopify button, which is on the product. It is a yellow button, the right side yellow button. Please click on push to Shopify. Now this dialog box will appear. Check marks what you want to put and don't check what you don't want to put. Now click on push to Shopify. After clicking push to Shopify button, this product sent dialog box will appear and it says successful. Now go back to your Shopify store, and on the products page you can now see the product what you have pushed. So that's it for the video. That's how you can use Dsers with Shopify. You can put up your products, you can link it with Shopify. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.